How to fix the Messenger custom background on the video call is not working. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to make sure that you are using the latest version of your app. For that, simply go into your app store or the Play Store that you are using, and from here you have to search for your application. Now once you are in, from here you have to click on it and make sure that the app is updated, and if it is not, then you have to update it. And after that you have to check your device compatibility, because the custom backgrounds may not be supported on older devices. So you have to verify that your device meets the minimum requirements for this feature. And then you have to make sure that the messenger has permission to access your camera. For that, simply go to your device settings, and then from here you have to find the messenger app. You can also go in the search, and here you have to search for your application. Now from here you have to make sure that this allows you to access the camera and the microphone. And after that you have to restart the app. For that, simply open your app and then reopen it. So this can sometimes also resolve the temporary glitches that is happening with you. And in the last, you have to clear the cache. For that, simply go to your device settings, and from here you have to go in the general, and if you are in the Android, then you have to go to your app management settings. Now go to your iPhone storage, and from here search for the messenger. So once you click on it, from here you have the option to clear its cache. So this can also help to resolve the issue that is caused by the corrupted data. So if none of the above steps work, then you can contact the messenger support for the further assistance. So by following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue and enjoy using the custom backgrounds during your messenger video calls. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.